Hello mga kamega. So this is me, Ma'am Shawie Vlog, together with Dexy Charot. So this afternoon, we're going to unbox one of the items I have received. So guys, in giving feedback, it doesn't mean that you can talk as long as you want. So you have to examine carefully the items and you can give either positive or negative feedback. It depends on the product that you receive. So, guys, because feedbacks make an impact to the customers like us. So it matter most on the store that we have been purchasing from. So guys, I want to flex this store. So before going further, let us open. Okay guys, I have ordered and received the whole, I have received what I have ordered, guys. So I have received 3 lipsticks. So because before, during the pandemic time, we don't use any lipstick because we'll just use mask. But now that everything is fine with God's grace, so everything is fine. So that's the reason why we should use lipsticks. Lipstick. So guys, I have ordered this from a reliable store. So I have ordered this from this store, and this store. Before purchasing these items, I have also read the feedback. So lots of feedbacks, or the store received lots of beautiful and positive feedback. So that's the reason why, guys, I choose this lipstick. So yeah. Okay, guys, see, I love the cover, the color of the cover. So it's very classy, guys. Classy. Okay, the other one is still classy. And the third one, I'm not going to open this because I will be giving this to one of my dears. So who will be the luckiest? The luckiest. The luckiest. The luckiest person. So please comment down below. So guys, it's very classy, right? Yeah. So I love this color, the cover, and so as well. You have to turn around. Okay guys, see the lipstick. So for me, since I'm not a teenager anymore, so I choose this color. Though I love red, but for my age, it's somewhat hesitant for me to use the color red. So I'll just use this color. So, and then you have to turn around. So as with this one. Okay. So I choose 3 lipsticks. And I think it's all. I think that's all. Pero, hi! Thank you very much, seller, for this. Another freebie. They gave me comb, a brush comb. Yeah. Thank you very much, dear seller, for this freebie of yours. And thank you very much also for this wonderful lipstick. So thank you. I will be using this every day. I know, not every day, every weekdays during duty time. And so as with weekends, if there are invites. So I will be using this Monday to Friday. Thank you very much, dear seller, for all of this lipsticks. I love your lipstick, and so as with your freebie. So guys, I am recommending, Mom Shawie is recommending this store. I am as a vlogger, as an celebrity channel. So I am recommending this store to all of you. They're very legit. They're very accommodating, and they give what they are marketing. So thank you very much, deal seller. So 100%. Thank you very much. I will be recommending your store to my colleagues, to my friends. For you have very impressive products on your store. So thank you very much, deal seller. More powerful, and thank you very much. This is me, Mama Shawie Vlog, recommending your store. Thank you. God bless po.